Hi, I'm Jesse Warmka, broker of Your Home Sold Guaranteed Realty, the Jesse Warmka team, where our name is our promise. How do we fulfill that promise? Well, we provide 6 satisfaction guarantees designed to provide the highest level of customer service in the real estate industry. We provide certainty in selling your home by guaranteeing the sale. In the unlikely event it doesn't sell, you know what? We're going to buy it. And if you're a buyer, we provide a satisfaction guarantee. If within 12 months you're not satisfied with your home, we're going to sell it for free. You see, with our guarantees, we're fully invested in your success. With the biggest financial and emotional investment of your life, when you hire us, you don't just get an agent juggling all the balls required to effectively get the job done. In today's ever-changing real estate market, you're going to get a complete team of professionals, each handling a different task so that we have more time for you. All of this translates into a successful real estate experience. We so look forward to the opportunity to discover how best we can serve you with your real estate needs. Give us a call at 608-358-0917 and let us show you the Your Home Sold Guaranteed Realty difference, where our name is our promise.